remember, the hellfire is not a place that's like a little dungeon, you know that, right? That's all this pagan Christian stuff where they think hellfire is a little place beneath the earth, you know, where the devil was the king of the hell. No, hellfire is a beast. Hellfire speaks. Hellfire roars. Hellfire breathes in. Hellfire breathes out. Hellfire attacks. Why hellfire is an animal. The Prophet ﷺ said when the hellfire is being brought down on that day, when that day, Allah is angry. Allah is angry on a day like He's never been angry before. And the hellfire will be brought. The hellfire will be uncontrollable. The hellfire will be untamable. So much so that there will be 70,000 ropes. Like when you have a dog, you have a leash, right? Hold the dog. There's going to be 70,000 leashes on hellfire. And each leash will have 70,000 angels. 70,000 angels! Because hellfire will be out of control! Hellfire will want to destroy the enemies of Allah! Hellfire will want to destroy the sinners, the innovators, the disbelievers! Hellfire will want to swallow them, roast them, toast them, break them, shake them, break them! Hellfire will want to annihilate them! Because hellfire is a slave of Allah! And it has ghayra! It has this jealous. How dare you disrespect Allah? How dare you disobey? So on that day, when you're there standing in front of hellfire, the way it will swallow, the way it will take you, the way it will absorb you, brothers, that's not a day to play with. That's not a beast you want to play with.